technology update is next. In recent weeks, we've talked about some of the things they're doing at Monsanto, and the Chief Technology Officer for Monsanto, Robb Fraley, joins us again this weekend to talk about what's coming down the road, what's coming along in that pipeline. I guess specifically one thing that comes to mind immediately, Robb, is the kind of season farmers ran into when all of a sudden the rain stopped. Drought is a concern, isn't it?
Yeah, this has been a tough year for a lot of growers across the Midwest, and it's great to be able to come back here and talk about our pipeline. There's nothing that gets me any more excited than talking about some of the new products we're going to launch, and a lot of attention's been focused on the the Genuity drought-tolerant technology. Just to give you a kind of an update on where things stand, the product is in the final phases of regulatory approval. We anticipate that in the U.S. we'll probably see deregulation of the product for sometime during the 2012 season. Our goal is to bring a complete system to that dryland corn grower, where we bring the combination of the Genuity drought-tolerant technology. We bring the agronomic, the other insect and weed control traits they need, and then the best advances from breeding to give growers that great product.
So this is coming rather quickly. I mean, what can farmers expect with this new technology then?
Well, this product is going to, provide growers in dryland corn production in areas where there's a water deficiency, with enhanced yield stability under those tough conditions. And like you pointed out, this has been a good test year for us from Oklahoma through central Illinois. So we're excited about the technology.
What other drought tolerance areas are you working on?
Well, we've had a long collaboration with BASF, and we've worked together on a whole series of next generation yield and drought traits. So across our crop platform, we're testing next generation yield genes that operate with a different mode of action than our first generation product, and we're testing it across not only corn but other crop platforms.
Let's switch gears to soybeans. What's coming along in beans?
We've got some terrific technology in soybean. Of course, the marketplace is still buzzing over the performance of our Genuity Roundup Ready to Yield soybeans. A big step change in yield. But by the middle of this decade, we'll be launching several new traits in soybean. One that I'm really excited about is the dicamba tolerance technology. This is going to be another step change for weed control, because we'll be able to put two different herbicide tolerance traits, the Roundup Ready to Yield trait and the dicamba tolerance trait, together in that soybean seed, and give growers the ability to spray applications of both products, both pre and post, in order to provide for an outstanding enhancement of weed control on dicot weeds. Exciting technology.
How soon is it coming along? When will it be available? How readily available?
Well, it's in the later stages of our pipeline, and we're working to get the product approved. We expect it about the middle of the decade. And the other important part of it is we've worked closely with BASF, our partner on this, to bring out new formulations of dicamba that will have lower volatility, that will fit well into agricultural production systems, and that will make a very exciting new tool for growers, both for controlling resistant weeds, but also I think they'll see just an overall step change in broadleaf weed control. And importantly, from a resistance management perspective, this will be a new tool, and it'll be part of our Roundup Ready Plus system, and give growers more options for managing weed challenges in their fields.
So you're addressing a lot of concerns growers have here, aren't you?
It's an exciting time.
Thank you, Robb. We appreciate it. Robb Fraley, Chief Technology Officer for Monsanto, joining us here on our Technology Update.